A devil's garden is a phenomenon in the Amazon where so-called lemon ants will build their colonies inside a certain type of tree. To repay the tree, the ants then go around killing other kinds of trees in the area, forming the devil's garden, which can grow up to 600 trees, housing one single but massive colony of millions of ants for up to 800 years. The Amazon is also known for housing the blue morpho butterfly. Just like the emoji, the wings of this species of butterfly are bright blue, spanning from 5 to 8 inches, making it one of the largest butterflies in the world. These gigantic insects are so iridescent they can be spotted up to half a mile away.